Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Beulah Olarinde, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Rising Talent Badge, the benefits and the criteria. How can you get the Rising Talent Badge? That's what I'm going to be talking about today. First of all, I'm going to go to Upwork support Upwork Help Center, and it's just to show you so you know, and not that I'm saying it from somewhere. And also, I need to say that all these things that I'm going to be saying are the things that helped me when I got my Rising Talent badge on my Upwork account, my Upwork profile. So first of all, this is how the badge looks like. This is how it looks like. This is how you will see it on your profile. It's going to look like this. Number one benefit is a one-time bonus of 30 free connects for you to submit more proposals to clients. For me, I was given 60 free connects. So I don't know, maybe I was just given an extra. I don't know, but it is written here that it is 30, but I was given 60. Number two, a Rising Talent badge on your profile to help you stand out to clients. This Rising Talent badge will be on your profile. So when clients see it, they are more confident in you that you can deliver. And here it also says reduced fees starting at 10% on featured jobs. Then another benefit is access to chat and ticket support from a specialized customer support team. Now, becoming a rising talent. Number one thing for me is make sure your profile is 100% complete, as it is here. Maintain a 100% complete profile with accurate skills and genuine work. That's the first thing. 100% complete makes you eligible. Your educational background, I mean, that one is just okay. Just put something, your educational background, your university you attended, and the opportunities available in the market. Even new freelancers who are yet to complete any Upwork project can become rising talent. I became rising talent when I just joined. I had not gotten any job yet when I became rising talent. All I did was get my profile 100% complete, and I did the readiness test. I was already on the platform for more than 30 days, and boom, I received an email that I have the Upwork readiness or the Rising Talent batch. Please note that it may take up to 48 hours to see the Rising Talent batch on your profile after meeting the qualifications. Additional tips: offer excellent results to your clients. It's very important. Another benefit is inclusion in a premium talent pool from which top clients source talent. Once you get that rising talent batch, your profile will be positioned in a way that clients will source for you. When they are sourcing for talent, you'll be included. That is one benefit. Then another one is personalized profile tips to help you effectively market your freelance services. So you have better chances on the freelancing platform if you have a rising talent, but especially as a new freelancer on that platform. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you do like it. And please, you can comment if you have any questions. Ask me, I'm available. Ask me in the comment section and I'm going to answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.